noticed in this 2011 Toyota Corolla. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering, air conditioning. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: side airbag, traction control, stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.